東海道新幹線が誕生したのは60年ほど前のこと。今では世界中に知られる新幹線は1964年の東京オリンピックに合わせて建設され、当時は世界で初めてとなる高速列車でした。オーストラリア大使館が投稿したのは、
This is the Nozomi Super Express, bound for the Tokyo Australian Embassy. To mark this year's National Railway Day, we're wishing the Shinkansen a very happy 60th birthday. We look forward to many more years of sustainable high-speed travel. This is the Nozomi Super Express.
新幹線に乗ると流れるあのおなじみの声。正体はオーストラリア出身の日本に住む女性でした。
Well, the funny thing is, I turned 60 this year as well. So the Shinkansen was born in 1964. I was born in 1964, so it feels really special. I first started in 2003. So I think a whole generation has heard my voice, and a new generation, 20-year-olds.
あの記憶に残る声はどう生まれたのか。
Yeah, the image that JR wanted is friendly, a mother's voice, like a calming. People are often really tired and they're stressed, and so they wanted like a mother's smile. So sometimes I'm smiling too much, and they're like, bring the smile down, and so, oh no, you need to smile a bit more, and really have this warm. It's not like, yeah, the next train is coming. It's like, like, we'll soon be arriving at Shin Osaka Station. The doors. So I'm kind of like, darling, wake up. It's that image. Like, I mean, a lot of people are asleep. So, it's just a gentle, yeah.
そして声には秘密が。
Well, the funny thing is, I had to do the whole thing. I did the whole thing in 2003, and I was mimicking the woman before. And then in 2005, I had to redo the whole thing. Yeah, so I was definitely doing a British accent, and in 2003, and then 2005, I'm like, I'm going to do Australian. So now that this tweet has gone viral, it's kind of like I'm out. I'm proudly Australian. Again, Australia is a much smaller country than Japan, and I'm really proud. Australia is like 25 million, and Japan's 5 times the population.
今、新幹線は世界中で知られるように。海外からの利用者も年々増え続けています。
I feel excited that I'm part of something so iconic, and it's now a worldwide phenomenon. So in 1996, when I came, Japan was considered too expensive and a scary place for foreigners. Like, oh, I've heard it's really difficult and it's so expensive. But now, Japan is really affordable. It's really a safe. People love to come to Japan, and the image is not that it's scary and difficult. The image is that it's safe and friendly and fun, and so now I feel like the whole world really has experienced the Shinkansens. Japan is my home, and it's a place where I've had the space to become an artist, a singer. Japan has let my dreams come true. So Japanese don't realize it's an Australian voice. And so I feel really proud for my country, Australia, and happy that I can help spread the word to Japanese that Australian culture and our education and voice is something of value. So I'm really, really excited to.
日本の大動脈、新幹線。 仕事や旅行、家族に会うためなどそれぞれの時間にそっと寄り添う声ですが、最後にこんなサービスも。
Welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express bound for Shin Osaka Station. We'll be stopping at Nagoya and Kyoto stations before arriving at Shin Osaka Terminal. The conductor's car is in Nippon TV English channel, where you can discover more about Japan. For more news stories, press the subscribe button below.